In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a competitor battle card with Playwise HQ. In a previous video, we'd already enriched our company profile, which means that we'd already provided Playwise HQ with the foundational knowledge of the company that we work for and the products that we sell. Again, we leveraged AI to do that, so there's no need for manual input. And in this example, we do work for Salesforce. What I'm going to do is go to create battle cards with AI. I'm going to input a company name. We're going to compete with Sugar CRM in this particular instance, and they have a number of different products. They have Sugar Sell. So we'll add that. We'll also add Sugar Serve, and we'll also add Sugar Market. We'll then generate battle cards, and this will take approximately 30 to 60 seconds, as I mentioned. You can add multiple competitor battle cards at any one time. Great, so AI has generated that battle card for Sugar CRM. So we're going to click View Battle Card. What we get out of the box with the AI functionality in Playwise HQ is automatic categorization of this competitor based on their competitive threat, market penetration, pricing strategy, growth trajectory, market position, and sales strategy. You can click Edit Battle Card and change any of those fields. We then also get the company overview, the key strengths, weaknesses, industries, and customers of Sugar CRM in this instance. What's more important though is that we can go over to the win-loss themes, and because we took the time to enrich our company profile, again, all of these win-loss themes are then customized based on Salesforce and the competitor that we're competing against, being Sugar CRM in this instance. So we can see that as a Salesforce rep, we would typically win against Sugar because we offer superior AI and automation capabilities. And the talking point here to stress is that we have a best-in-class AI agent force embedded across sales, service, and marketing. Equally, one of the other reasons why we might win is that we have a unified platform with deep integration and the 360 view of the customer. On the other side of the spectrum, why might we lose to Sugar CRM? Sugar offer a lower total cost of ownership and have better pricing transparency. So if we're competing with a budget conscious customer, or perhaps going after a customer in the SMB or mid-market space, perhaps Sugar is going to appeal more to them, and that's something we need to be aware of. You have the ability to add additional win-loss themes by clicking the plus button here, and at any time you can edit any of the fields in the battle card by clicking the Edit Battle Card button. If we go over to objection handling, we can see that the AI has automatically generated a number of objections as well as the recommended response. Sugar CRM offers a more cost-effective and flexible CRM. So how might we respond to that? Sugar may appear less expensive upfront, but Salesforce delivers unparalleled value through deep AI integration, a unified data hub, and more extensive app ecosystem. Equally, Sugar CRM provides better support and more personalized relationship for mid-market clients. The response, Salesforce offers tiered customer success plans, including detailed customer success managers, proactive monitoring. Moving over to products, we can see that basically the product portfolio is all of the products that we inputted when we wanted to generate the battle card. So we have Sugar Sell, we have Sugar Serve, and we have Sugar Market. For each product, we get an overview as well as the individual strengths and weaknesses for that product as well. One of the things that you add over time to your battle card is field insights. So basically, this is where your sales reps can share intelligence that they're gathering out there in the field. So perhaps as a Salesforce rep in a particular geography or a particular industry, you see that Sugar CRM is going after that industry very aggressively. Perhaps they're adding new functionality, perhaps they're discounting quite heavily, and you want to share that back with the broader sales team. You can add that insight here and it'll appear on the battle card for all of your colleagues. Equally, we have the win-loss analysis. So as you win and lose opportunities against Sugar CRM, you can add those records here, identifying those core reasons why you are winning or losing. Over time, some of this analysis may then inform or influence the win-loss themes and the objection handling. So for example, perhaps Sugar CRM start investing quite heavily in their own AI capabilities, and this win theme is no longer as strong as it once was. As the administrator or editor of the battle card, you might want to come in here and update this or even remove it as a win theme. So you have that flexibility of AI generated battle cards as well as tapping into the knowledge of your most valued resource, the sales reps who are out there every day selling.